So it's a very nice program I write. It will make a very good shape. In my childhood, when I used to go to village fair, they actually sell something similar like that, and we use paper and pencil, and we take those we called it dash, and we draw that kind of pattern, and they told us you can submit that drawing to your school, and it is often a right drawing. So I make a simpler video how I actually make that happen. So I called it actually my turtle. So the code is something like that actually. So as you see I describe in better resolution. So first you need to import the library, and then you need to write a function and call it. Then you need to define that how much is it's go forward, and how much degree it's go to the right. But you call the turtle class, and you need to assign that turtle in a variable. I name it Brad. So that was the first code actually, and it have a shape which is turtle. You can make another shape like a square and arrow and something like that, and it have a color, it's white, and I give them a speed, and it do it in 1 second and something like that, and it have to have a window. When I click, it will exit actually. So if I run the program, it's draw a square actually, and that is a simple program. You can draw a square very easily, but uh, when you see that things, uh, when I click, the windows go down, just that code executed. But if you see, I just separated that program in a loop, for loop, so that loop can draw a square very easily, and that uh, square function, I called it there. It's very simple. That square I call it there, and in a loop actually. So it will execute 37 time, and for the mm, for the degree how much it will shift for drawing the second square, I give them property actually 10 degree. That's all. I called a loop, I give it a name, it will draw actually a square, and I make another loop, it will draw 37 square, and it will shift 10 degree each time. That's all. And other property it's remain and the same, just like it have a window screen and color, and it have a name, and it have other property like its shape and its color. That is the things I change, and when I run it, it will draw a square, and it is doing the same things, and each time it actually move shift 10 degree each time. And when the turtle draw that square 37 time, it will give me a very nice pattern, and that pattern remind my childhood when I used to visit village fair, and now I can do the same things using Python programming, and it's a pleasureful things. So thank you guys. I think you enjoy it. Actually, original video where I inspire made by Kunal. He is a Audacity teacher, and he just make lot of courses out there, and this course name is uh, Python Programming Foundation. So if you have time and you are interested in programming, you can watch that tutorial, and that's all. I recorded that video for fun, and I recorded it because someday it will remind me. I just do that things. So thank you for watching.